Well, I know too much to buy new, only because the way it depreciates, right? Although if it was a dream car, I might buy it new.
Pull up to the Benz shop.
We already know a lot of the issues, the common stuff that would need to be done for whatever model it is, whatever year previous to this one maybe. I would definitely go used.
I would say generally, just because of what I do, I would say used. Usually get a better price, right? Also, because I'm a mechanic, I'll go and look at it, inspect it, and kind of haggle a little bit. Like, hey, you got oil leak. Hey, you got this.
An unknown amount of things that could potentially fail. On a used car, it's like, you already know what's gonna happen. You already know what's gonna fail. It's not like, oh, I need an engine harness. It's like, no, the engine harness was already done years ago, so oh, you need an engine harness anymore? It was already done. Is that kind of mentality or is that kind of mindset that I put myself in when I go to buy a car? Like me, I just bought a car like 2 months ago. I bought a 2010 GLK. When I bought it, I had 107,000 miles on it.
I have a new Pathfinder. That's for the family though. And I wanted the new look of it versus the old look because it was a significant body change. So for the family type of thing, I did buy a new car. Just for the reliability and the fact that I don't have to like fix it all the time because it's the family car. But like when I buy something for me that I want, it'll most likely be used.
I bought it because I know the car, I know the failures, all of the stuff that goes wrong with it, I can work on, I can gain access to. I already know it. I don't have to deal with the small little electrical stuff. I don't have to deal with the small software updates that need it just to work on some features.
And if it was something that I wanted to be like as a reliable vehicle, if I didn't determine that it was gonna be that car, I would have definitely vetted them, where I would have asked to either get an inspection by a third party, not at that dealer or whatever you wanna say, if it was used from a dealer, right? But new, it would be hard for me to wanna go for new just because I think they're overpriced. But the way that stuff is built today is not as ideal as we prefer. And I would say it's not the manufacturer's fault. It's the EPA putting so much regulations on hitting certain mileages and whatnot and emissions that they're forced to make the cars as light as possible, meaning a lot of stuff's made out of plastic. They're forced to lighten the car up. You don't have like metal alloyed intake manifolds anymore. They're plastic. Which they work, don't get me wrong, and it lightens it up, but it's like a weak factor, it's a weak point. All the lines that plug into them, they're all plastic. So, and it's just, in our environment, it's harsh as hell. It's hot here.
Like if I were to not be a mechanic, you know, and I was just a Joe Schmo with a regular job, working at a grocery store or whatever, and I got a Mercedes, I would want a used one rather than a brand new one. A person who probably has owned multiple of these, you already know the common stuff. You know a lot of the mechanical failures, you know a lot of the electronical failures. So it's like those things have already been dealt with. I already know what's gonna happen. I already know what's gonna fail, and I already know what it's gonna cost to fail, rather than these new cars. It's like, okay, something fails, we don't know how much it's gonna cost and how much time it is to fix it. The older ones look a lot better. I feel like the older ones drive a lot better.
Pull up to the Benz shop.